beautiful people, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. Today we are going to make beautiful teardrop earrings. These are very simple to make. I hope that you will love this tutorial and I will definitely try to make these earrings at home. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up. And as you know, my channel is new here on YouTube. Your one subscription will really help me a lot going out with my channel. Hit the subscribe button so that I can also bring amazing jewelry making videos like this. And now let's get started. The material required is takni, teardrop beads, pearl laurels, earring dangles, pink laurels, baby pink laurels. First of all, we'll cut the takni in half. Then we'll insert a teardrop bead in this. Now as I have pink color teardrop beads, so I am taking two shades of pink in off-white and in dark pink. You can choose as per your choice. And again I am adding one pearl laurel in this to enhance its look. Then we'll make a loop of the remaining wire. You just have to pull the wire at your side and then you have to make sure that it is attached to the wire very properly. And also we have to make sure that we have a proper loop, a proper space, so that we can attach this one to another takni or eye pin, you can say. So as you can see, I have made the loop properly. Similarly, I will make the same for another three. That is, I will first insert 3 laurels and then we'll make a loop. So I have created these 3 beads ready. Now what I will do is I will open another side's loop of the takni, which is already available, and then I will insert this our created loop in that, and then I will make sure that it is attached very firmly. If this loops remains open, the earring will get damaged. So make sure to attach this very properly. And again repeat the same process for the third one. We have to open the loop and then add this another loop. This. Now our earring is almost ready. Now we will attach this tangle to that. For that, again, as this have a loop, open this tangles loop and not earrings loop, because if you open earrings loop, the pearls will fall away and then again you have to add them. So you will have to do extra work. To avoid that, always open your dangles loop. And in this way, beautiful earrings are ready. Aren't they so pretty? If you like this tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.